Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and here I am with another success story of EOR, inquiry on results. One of my students from Armenia, he applied for IELTS, he took his IELTS test, and when he received the result, he actually sent me this message. He said, "Dear Mr. Asad Yaqub, please help me to understand. I received my test result. All parts are 6.5, but my speaking is 5. Is it good to make EOR?" And then what I did, I sent him this message that contained 7 points on EOR. No, now I have made 2 more points. Now it's 8 points, 6 before and now 8 points about EOR. I sent him the message, and then he said, "Is it good to mark all 4 sections for EOR?" EOR is inquiry on results. When you are not satisfied with your result, then you apply EOR, inquiry on results. And my reply was yes. And then after applying EOR, all this thing happened on 24th May. And then he came back to me on 2nd June and he said, "Dear sir, my speaking result was changed." Now let me tell you, in speaking module, he had achieved 5 band. And his speaking result changed from 5 to 1 band, and that is 6 band. Okay, so you can see this TRF letter, EOR letter, and in EOR letter they have mentioned very clearly, speaking, the band score awarded for this module has changed from 5 to 6. Now what's the purpose of making this video? The purpose is, whenever you get low band, lower than your expectations, let me tell you, IELTS examiners are not angels. Right? And then there are some devils who are playing their part in IELTS as well. Okay? So that's why if you are shocked once you receive your result that, oh, hi, in speaking 5 and in writing 6.5, when there is band difference in speaking and in writing. For example, writing 5, speaking 7. For example, writing 6.5, speaking 5.5. Whenever there is the band difference, you can apply for inquiry on results, and obviously you have to pay the fee. Right? Yeah, IELTS is the only entity where you have to pay the money to complain. Exactly. In order to make any complaint, you have to pay the money. So this is how EOR works, and I have got my own message. 8 points to consider before you apply for EOR. You can just send me a WhatsApp message and I'll just send you all the details about that. So basically, beware. Sometimes you get half band less than your desired band, and that half band does not allow you to proceed. For example, Canadian education 6 each. For example, Canadian immigration 8,777, you get 877, 6.5. So in these situations, you can consider applying for EOR, but there is a brief warning. Do not apply EOR on listening and reading, because their band score hardly ever changes. But otherwise, writing and speaking, I have got many messages. There are several cases where the band score increases after applying for EOR. All the best, guys. Thank you very much. I also teach IELTS on campus here in Lahore, Pakistan, and online all over the world. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck with your IELTS preparation. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.